In this video, we will compare Shopify versus Adobe Ecommerce. When comparing Shopify versus Magento, such as Adobe Commerce, the decision becomes down to ease of use versus customization power. Shopify is hosted and an all-in-one platform designed for simplicity and for new users, and even scalability. It's perfect for entrepreneurs and small to medium-sized businesses that want to launch quickly, manage their store with minimal technical access, and access a wide range of apps, themes and integrations. Everything from hosting to security is included, making it a hands-off solution to busy store owners. In contrast, Magento is a self-hosted developer-centric platform built for larger, more complex businesses that need total control over aspects of their everyday site. Magento shines in its flexibility, offering high customization product catalog, user permissions, price rolling and even integration. But it requires significant technical expertise or even a dedicated development team to maintain. Adobe Commerce is the same as Magento, but adds even more advanced features that comes with a much higher cost. In short, Shopify is ideal for growing businesses that use value and ease and even efficiency, while Magento is better for established brands and enterprises that need deep customization options. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.